This 2024 Grand Design Momentum 381 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new grand design is 45 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 7, oven, refrigerator, water heater, external shower, slide-out, TV, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, skylight, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum 381 Mega Siemens is 15,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.